Find the energy of electron in ground state of hydrogen atom. The energy of an electron in an orbit is given by the equation energy E is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square by N square electron volt, where Z is atomic number and N the number of energy level. For hydrogen, Z is equal to 1, and for ground state N is equal to 1. So E equal to minus 13.6. Instead of Z we can put 1, and instead of N also 1. So the answer is minus 13.6 electron volt. What is the energy of electron in the fourth energy level of hydrogen atom? Here again we are going to use the same equation. Energy of an electron in an orbit is given by E equal to minus 13.6 into Z square by N square electron volt. For hydrogen, Z equal to 1, and it is given that the value of N is equal to 4. So we can substitute these two values in the above equation. That is, instead of Z we can put 1, and for N 4. We get the answer minus 3.4 electron volt. What is the energy level of electron when it is at infinity? When electron is at infinity, we can substitute N is equal to infinity. On substituting N is equal to infinity in this equation, we get E is equal to 0. That is, energy of electron is 0 when it is at infinity.